Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now guys, for today's episode I have a TRS cable here. So of course quarter jack, but in terms of the ends, they're actually TRS. So we have the tip, we have the ring, and then we have the sleeve there. Now the essence of this video is to show you how to better protect your soldering. So in terms of the soldering section there, as you can see, it actually comes with this plastic that will actually protect or prevent these connectors from touching the covering here, because if this cable gets wet, for example, then it can actually cause some form of groundings. I don't know. What I normally do is to actually use some hot glue between these soldering section there. So let's, for example, there is a loose wire, then they don't actually touch each other. When I pull it off, I actually realized that there was a loose where there I'm touching one of these connectors, and that definitely would have been causing some form of feedback for weeks now. So here is the glue gun. So what I need to do is to basically get some hot glue in this space right there. Right, so as I said, this actually give you two benefits. One, it actually keep the soldering well secure. So in terms of you moving the cable around, definitely will prevent shortage. What I realized is that when I use the hot glue, in terms of the lifespan or how long these cables last before they start to give me some shortage or feedback, actually lasts longer, I would actually say. So that's why I would have gone ahead and actually do this to all my cables. Also XLR cables works well. So as I said, as you can see, actually comes with a kind of a plastic material there and that definitely preventing these connectors from actually touching the metal covering there. But to even make it more secure, as I said, I would have come up with this idea by using hot glue to actually really offer more protection in terms of these connectors. Because trust me, the worst thing is to have an event and you're actually experiencing bad cabling. Really annoying and frustrating. So I'm quite sure that this offer double protection. Again guys, I'm just showing you how to actually protect your TRS cables. May them last a bit longer. And as you can see, there's some racking at the top there. Also, you can put some hot glue at the top there. Try to get some down in there. You can also secure this by using electrical tape. So in terms of the movement, that's what you want to do. You want to minimize the movement of these cables. So as you can see, they are really moving a whole lot. So again, another way is to use electrical tape or just about any tape to prevent that movement right there. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on that subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.